Welcome to Ahotaki.
Speak louder, please.
Welcome to Ahotaki. Currently in Baguio. Kasalukuyang nakaupo at nagmumuni-muni sa kalagitnaan ng Burnham Park.
Anong memories mo sa Baguio? When you were younger days.
Kung ikaw, pupunta kayo ni Elnora sa Baguio tuwing Holy Week,
Oo.
kami naman ng family ko, pupunta kami dito sa Baguio tuwing Christmas. So, in the 80s, there were 7 consecutive Christmases that we spent here in Baguio, in Baguio. So, yun ang childhood memory ko talaga ng Baguio. Christmas talaga siya, kaya super lamig, festive. Kumakain kami, nag-roast kami ng apple sa fireplace. Sash.
Ano yun? You were renting a house? Or yung
Not
hotel had a
renting
fireplace?
house, but more like borrowing.
Aha.
Because dad was working in high places
Mhm.
at that time, so
He knew powerful people.
he knew the
Lots of
powers
power.
that be that owned cottages at Pacdal.
Mhm.
And
Wow,
so we would
Pacdal.
stay there, like we'll have the whole house to ourselves.
Yeah.
Tapos yung mga kapatid ko pa, since they're very social, unlike me, na very introverted, they would in those 7 consecutive Christmases, they would karay-karay some friends of theirs
Mhm.
to join us. So every year, there's always someone with us, hindi lang kaming family. But my parents kasi are very open and open-hearted and would welcome my siblings' friends. So, yarn. Tapos, I remember, kasama si Lola, syempre, my mom's mom.
Mhm.
She was already in the throes of Alzheimer's.
Lola, ano to?
Lola Nata.
Lola Nata.
Yes. Minsan kasama si Tia Nides,
Ah, really?
Zenaida,
Aha.
the Aunt Zenaida.
The formerly US days.
Tapos yung
Now,
ex ni DC kasama.
talaga?
Yung squad ni Barry and Zumba Doc.
Anong car ang
Boy.
gamit nyo? Parang ang dami niyan.
Ano
Did
ba
you
yung
have a
car?
van?
Oo. May van na hinihiram din.
Kasi ang dami
Pero
mong
meron
bisita.
din kaming times na
Kayo
yung
lang.
yung car ang gamit. Hindi ko lang alam kung baka convoy yon. Kasi sa dami namin, I don't think mag-fit kami doon sa isang car. But we brought that, what's this car? Yung sedan na, kasi syempre naman during the 80s, 70s, 80s.
Galant,
Parang ganun
Corona, Toyota Corona,
Hindi pa siya Corona, even earlier than Corona.
Toyopet.
Parang di yung umpisa.
Ah,
Basta it's a sedan.
Datsun.
Oo, Datsun do.
Ah,
Parang yung dog, parang yung fur baby na Dachshund. Parang
Ah.
ganun.
I'm just guessing baka mali yung
Yeah,
Datsun.
that's exactly it. Because that's what we called it. It was red. And naman the old sedan, malalaki, di ba?
Mhm.
So, yun. Dala namin. Kasi may picture kami na kasama yung sedan. Yun. Punta sa PMA, syempre Session Road, Camp John Hay. Mga ganun. Mines View Park, Pork. Tapos, paulit-ulit lang yun for consecutive years. But we looked forward to it. Yun ang childhood, cherished childhood memory.
Kasi ang Baguio noon was paulit-ulit.
But
Tapos-
you never tire of it. Parang, Okay, Baguio pa more, parang ganon.
Tapos since Baguio was largely parang high-end subdivision in a city, pagpunta mo dito, you'll see, high profile faces, 'di ba? Like in my case, it's Holy Week, so you'll see people na, may makikita kang familiar personalities.
Well, I was young, so I didn't know about those famous people. But maybe my parents and my
Recognize
sibs
them.
knew them, but I was oblivious to them. But anyway, yung Baguio noon, para siyang Boracay ngayon na paulit-ulit na pinupuntahan na hindi pinagsasawaan. Parang ganun siya. Ganun ang status niya as a tourist destination. The summer capital.
So nagbo-boating din kayo?
Nagbo-boating kami, nag-horseback riding kami sa Pacdal. Nagba-biking din. Pero syempre ako, yung bike ko yung may trainers.
Oo.
Tapos, yeah, we did everything. Punta sa the mansion, Good Shepherd, bibili ng strawberry and ube jam.
Ako wala akong memory ng Good Shepherd nung bata ako. We always just bought sa bus station o sa Kayo, talagang pumupunta kayo?
Pumupunta talaga kami sa Good Shepherd. Doon sa Gibraltar. Tapos, one of those years, dala ko pa yung guitar ko. So I remember I was playing my guitar. Looking out to the foggy view sa Bintan. Oh, for baby.
Tapos lalakad din kayo around Burnham Park.
Oo, syempre Burnham Park was the ground zero. Well, along with Session.
Did you say kung nagpunta kayo din sa PMA? Every visit yan? Hindi naman.
Parang every visit because yun na nga, paulit-ulit lang siya eh. I mean, what else is there to do?
You
in
go to the
Baguio?
Botanical Garden, to the Camp Janhay, mga ganyan.
The
Except
Botanical
na-
Garden was still named Imelda Park at the time. Imelda Park.
Yeah.
So, yun. Curiously, we just did Baguio. I don't have memory of having been to La Trinidad, for example. Nung nagpunta tayo sa La Trinidad noong 2018, that was my
Your first time.
So, we never did the strawberry picking. So, I didn't know kung meron na at the time.
Meron na, pero I think malayo siya kasi.
So, but we had a car. So,
Oh.
I don't know why we didn't do that.
Because I think during that
It
time,
was not a thing.
it was not a thong and it was far. Tapos baka there were just farms. Unlike now,
Very commercialized.
commercialized.
Touristified.
Yes, oo. And since you're not Catholics, you did not go to the Pink Sisters.
Yeah, and since we're not Catholic, the first time I went to the church here was with you. Because, syempre, as Portes, we did not check out the cathedral. Kaya we didn't come here ng Holy Week kasi Portes kami. So Holy Week sa amin was really just Easter basically.
Well, pag pupunta naman kami dito ng Holy Week, hindi naman kami nagninilay-nilay.
Hindi, pero I mean yung yung the idea of Holy Week as a special holiday.
Well, it was, those were days without work and classes, so
Yeah, we also didn't have work and classes, but
so what
it
did you
was
guys
not
do
a tradition.
pag Holy Week
We just
in Manila?
stayed home.
Ganon.
Well, my sibs, they would be out with their friends. Pero ako,
Baka they went mountaineering, or maybe
knowing them, I'm sure kung saan.
they went to Boracay when Boracay was just an
Christine,
island.
yes. In fact, they did. They, they went to Boracay in the 80s. Wala pang electricity.
Yeah, because that's what they did. You know, the older ones, the older siblings.
Me, I was just I was a homebody, just like now. I'm still a homebody.
Yeah, you know, I'm amazed with the picnic culture in the Burnham Park. Did you guys do picnicking?
I'm sure we did. I just don't really have any memory of it, but knowing polikiting siya.
Yung may ano yung
Nangyari yun.
totem pole. Tama ba ako? Yung may iba-ibang face na ginagaya.
Pantat?
Oo, yung kayo, yung nagpatong-patong kayo, anong ang tawag?
Tipi pala yun. Yeah, totem.
Saan yun?
That was in Caliraya.
Ang Caliraya, hindi pala dito yon. So ano mga pictures ng Baguio nakita ko? Si Mom was wearing
Yung parang,
naka-blazer talaga
yeah,
siya.
dress-
Very formal.
dress suit. That was in Diplomat Hotel. There was one year, that we stayed at Diplomat Hotel. And I remember, oh my God, parang I was,
Very
syempre, I
high-end
was
yun.
small. So for me, Diplomat Hotel was super big. But when we went back, parang, okay, maliit lang pala siya. Pero in my memory, it was this grand, elegant building na parang Manila Hotel. And that,
Oh, but it had commanding
to
view.
me, to my 7-year-old self, it felt like I was at the Manila Hotel.
Mhm.
I just remember the lobby. I found it grand talaga and elegant.
Pero pag nakita mo ngayon, parang hindi mo ma-imagine
Hindi ko
na
ma-imagine. Maliit lang pala siya.
because
Well, ruins na
because
lang
we
kasi.
were small. So meron ka ring Mirador. Ako ang Mirador. Ano yan? The Diplomat experience.
That was one of my best hotel experiences. Well, because I was with my parents. And I was a kid. That and Hotel Del Rio in Iloilo.
Parang Dominican Hill yun banda dun,
It
diba?
is the
I knew of two people who had houses there at the peak of basta one is dalawa silang office mate, mga high society office mates natin sa ASB.
Those are my Baguio memories. I've been here countless times. Really.
Diba?
More
Samantalang yung
times
iba
than-
mga once lang sila pupunta dito. Bucket listing lang yung Pero Baguio is a habit.
This is
That's hard
more
to break
like,
for us.
If there's comfort food, this is a comfort place for me. If there's a comfort place, it would be Baguio for me. Ikaw, what's your comfort place?
Baguio din.
Mahaba na to.
Yes. Cut. Bye-bye.
Ciao.